having fun. Smile. Smile 30. 30. Okay. Ayun na. Wow, yung alder. Oh, yung alder. Oh, yung alder yan. Okay.
May Christmas tree na sila. Oh, yung
Opo.
nagtitungin niya. Ito sila ganun.
Ha?
Yung nakatago dyan sa basement.
Ah, sa baba. Okay. This is Cedar Crest, guys.
Ice house. Look at our house before.
Oh. That's Kuya Richard, guys.
Mommy, why
Guys,
can you
guys.
like this? Oh, your friend comes inside.
Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ayan.
Mommy.
Ah.
Mama, look oh.
Why?
Look kayo sa bahay. Yung nasa likod mo.
Ay, ay, ay. Their house is nice, full of lights.
Wow. Mami,
Yung
sa
bilin,
bahay
yung
mo.
bilin, bilin.
Yan oh. Mama, dyan mo.
Upo ka lang, baby. Ah, sige, Jack. Okay, bigay mo kay Michelle, Jack.
Mami, ano yung marami?
Jack, say hi.
Mami, look ah. Yung marami na lights dyan. Oh.
Opo, opo.
Ang ingay mo. Mami, full mo, no? Church kid. Sabi ko fun time. Look at the house. Church kid.